My name's John Compton, 29 years old. Well, I did a lot of research, and I was going to go with the pole barn at first, but deciding on my area, it has real sandy soil. So I talked to a lot of people, and they said when the soil shifts and everything, the woods was more susceptible to giving and swaying and stuff like that, and sagging. So, and actually, the metal was actually cheaper, and especially at times like they call it the COVID wood right now. So it was actually going to be like $8,000 more to make the same building out of wood. So, and just did a lot of research. I almost went with the like the Carolina carport deal. I don't know if I'm allowed to say names or anything, but it's more like a box tubing instead of the steel I-beam. And I just the quality of the I-beam was just a lot better. So that's why I went with the red iron from you guys from Allied. I worked with Tammy. She was my project manager. It was a very smooth process. I went through a lot of companies trying to find the best, basically the best price and quality, and came right back. I actually was going to sign on with Allied, and then I did a little more research and kind of shopped around, but I still came back to Allied. They had the best deal and the most quality, best quality, and Tammy, she just helped me the whole way. So I had a lot of questions, and I've never done this before. So it was definitely a smooth process. And if I ever sell this house and sell the building, I will definitely go back with Allied. So you're on the inside here. It's definitely a work in progress, though. I'm working on the electrical as we speak. So, but it's. Yeah. I definitely, my experience was great with Allied. It couldn't have been smoother, the whole process, and I would definitely recommend Allied. 2 thumbs up, definitely all the way. So I stand behind them 100%.